Marshal Syed Asim Munir says attack on Saudi Arabia undermines efforts towards peaceful resolution as military leadership expresses concerns and reaffirms security priorities. Deputy Prime Minister Ishaq Dar tells Parliament Pakistan led diplomatic outreach after Iran crisis, engaging global power and securing acceptance of mediation efforts. US Vice President J.D. Vance tells Prime Minister of Hungary Viktor Orban the president loves him during Budapest visit as both sides push to strengthen ties through talks on security, economic cooperation and shared political priorities. US President Donald Trump warns of catastrophic consequences and escalating tensions with Iran, called crisis a defining global moment and signal pressure on Tehran's leadership amid concerns over Strait of Hormuz. Iran's ambassador to Pakistan, Reza Amiri, says Pakistan's effort to stop the Iran war reached a critical stage, highlighting its role as a positive and productive in diplomacy. Iran signals mass mobilization as President Masoud Pezeshkian cites 14 million ready to fight, with state media framing growing enlistment and escalating tensions with the US and Israel. China backs Pakistan mediation efforts, urging parties to seize opportunities for peace and support diplomatic engagement to ease tensions. Pakistan and Turkey hold 20th military dialogue in Rawalpindi, with Lieutenant General Muhammad Ali and Levit Irwan leading talks on regional security, defense industry, cooperation and training expansion. The UN warns of a grim explosion in Afghan drug production as Taliban-run regime finances terror through synthetic narcotics, with sieges skyrocketing. Kabul's deliberate strategy turned the nation into a global danger. Protests spread across Manipur after 2 children are killed in the blast in civilian area, with unrest spreading as authorities face pressure to restore security and prevent further ethnic violence. Modi government under fire as Air India CEO steps down over major compliance failure and operational chaos, exposing serious governance breakdown and mismanagement in India's aviation sector. Israeli military warns Iran to avoid trans and rail lines until 2100 hours as Donald Trump threatens strikes on infrastructure and tensions rise over the Strait of Hormuz. World Health Organization suspends Gaza medical evacuation after contractors killed in security incident, halting Rafah's transfer and raising concerns over access to critical health care. Airlines in Asia scales back services as Middle East conflict disrupts fuel flow through the Strait of Hormuz, with shortages, rising costs and sustained demand straining the sector. Shooting near Israeli consulate in Istanbul leaves 3 dead after Turkish police opened fire, with 2 officers injured and suspect taken into custody amid heightened security. Brent crude climbs above $111 as Donald Trump sets deadline for Iran, with tensions and risk to flow through the Strait of Hormuz, pushing oil markets higher. Australian cricketer David Warner is arrested in Sydney on suspension of drug driving, with reports indicating alcohol levels exceeded the legal limit. Will Ackman moves to acquire Universal Music Group in $63 billion bid, citing undervaluation and targeting control of major global catalog, including artists like Taylor Swift and Drake. BTS extends Billboard 200 lead as RV Rank tops charts for second week with 187,000 units driven by sales and streaming, with Ye and Melanie Martinez following.